Hello my little stars. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and staying safe at home. Today we will solve a worksheet from your book Fragrance, page number 21. We have to cross the odd letters in each row. See, there are some rows in your books and we have to find the odd letters and we have to cross this out. Look at the first row. Which letter is this? This is U. U is for umbrella. This is W. W is for water. Next one is U and the last one is also U. So can you tell me which one is odd here? Right. W is odd one here. We have to put a cross here. Okay? Coming to the next row. W. The letter is W. W is for water. This is also W. Which letter is this? Is this a W? No, this is a M. This is an M. M is for mango. Next one is W. So which one is odd? M is odd here. So I am putting cross over M. Coming to the third row. See, this is G. G is for goat. This is Y. Y is for yak. Next one is Y and the last one is also Y. So which one is odd? Right, G is odd here. So I am again putting a cross on G because this is odd. Coming to the last row. The first letter is N. N is for nose. Second letter is M. M is for moon. Third one is N and the last one is also N. So which letter is odd one here? M is the odd letter here. Put a cross mark on M. Okay? Clear? Now you have to do a homework from your book Fragrance. From your book Fragrance, page number 30. Okay students? Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.